In this video, we are going to share our own experience of using both of these platforms so you can decide which one is better for you. Watch this video till the very end so you won't make any mistakes, and let's get started.
I've been using both Notion as a website and Carrd for about 6 months now to build simple sites. And here's the honest breakdown of which option actually works better in real use. Let's start with Notion. Turning Notion pages into websites is incredibly convenient. The biggest advantage is how fast and effortless it is. If you're already using Notion, you can publish a page as a site in seconds, and updating content is as simple as editing a document. For me, Notion works great for things like documentation, personal pages, directories, or simple content hubs. It's clean, minimal, and very easy to maintain. But the downside is design and control. You're limited in layout, customization is minimal, and performance or SEO options are not as strong unless you use third-party tools on top. Now, Carrd. This one is built specifically for simple websites. The biggest advantage is design flexibility while still staying lightweight. You can create fully custom one-page sites, control layout, add forms, integrate tools, and even use custom domains easily. In my experience, Carrd feels more like a real website compared to Notion. It's better for landing pages, portfolios, and anything where presentation matters. But the trade-off is content management. It's not as convenient as Notion for constantly updating or managing large amounts of content. Another key difference is purpose. Notion is content first, while Carrd is design first. So what should you pay attention to? If you want the easiest way to publish and manage content with almost zero setup, Notion is the better choice. If you want more control over design, better presentation, and a more polished site, Carrd is stronger. Personally, I use Notion for content-heavy pages and quick publishing, and Carrd when I need a clean, professional-looking site. At the end of the day, Notion is about simplicity and content management, and Carrd is about design and presentation. And the better tool depends on whether you prioritize ease of updates or visual impact.